Alright guys, welcome back. Today we'll be working on this iPhone XR. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing the screen on this. I'm going to show you how to get this screen fixed up nice and quick. Show you the ins and outs and how to do it the proper way. First of all, like everything, we'll go ahead and shut off the screen. So what you need is a pentalobe screw, with these two screws down here is typical. All the iPhones usually have these two pentalobe screws on there, so you'll go ahead and take these two off first. Once we take these two off, what we can do is go ahead and remove the screen from the frame here. Usually that's the trickiest part that people want to figure out, how to get inside the phone first. So we'll go ahead and open up this phone here. So what you want to do is you want to get between the display and the frame there and just create a little gap. I like to use my little Assessmo tool. Once I get that gap exposed, what I'm going to do is going to grab my pick and just slowly run it down. Loosen up the sides, loosen up the clips. Most of the iPhones, this is usually the method here. With the older ones or the new ones, sometimes they'll open differently. But this one with the iPhone XR, it opens up this way. Once you get that open, you're going to be inside the phone now. So we're going to go ahead and get the screen off. So you got a shield here, a shield here, and a shield here. Bunch of Y-tips and one Phillips screwdriver on the top corner there. We'll go ahead by removing this bottom one first. Because what we want to do is we want to access this so we can get to the battery and unplug it. So we'll go ahead and remove that shield. You got your battery right here. Go ahead and unplug that. Once that battery is unplugged, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and remove the rest of these screws. Go up here and remove these. These are all Y-tips. Apple likes to be different sometimes. So if you buy the screen off online or anything, it should come with a toolkit. These toolkits should supply you with all these little tools to get this phone fixed. Go ahead and remove that. So now what we'll do is we'll remove these shields and go ahead and unplug all these cables. Once we get that out of the way, we'll remove the motherboard. So next, it's pretty easy. All we have to do is remove this top camera, or not camera, sorry, yeah, not camera, but your earpiece speaker. Got one Y tip here, and 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips. So we'll go ahead and remove those. Once we get that removed, what we'll do is we'll kind of lift up the speaker, get underneath here, and we'll remove this. That's how it comes out. We'll get rid of that bracket from the old screen. So this is your old screen here. We'll get rid of this. And then we'll bring in our new screen. So the new screens usually they'll have these blue plastic films. Just go ahead and remove that. And all we gotta do is just take this speaker, plug it back in, and just line everything up, guys. Once you get that in, just lay down your speaker, and we can go ahead and put our screws back in. Now if I'm moving a little too fast, feel free to slow it down, back it up, and just watch it slowly. So this skill level to fix this, you're probably looking at a 4 to 10, as long as you have the proper tools. If you guys are into DIY repairs or you're looking to run a repair shop, feel free to hit the like and subscribe and follow me, guys. I have all these new DIY tutorials for cell phone repairs. So we'll go ahead and get this motherboard back, and all we're going to do is just plug everything back in and just go in reverse. Got one there, two cables here. Just plug them in. They just plug in like Legos. Make sure you don't try to force them. Just lay them in their spots and just click them down. Once we get all those cables back in, we'll go ahead and plug in the battery. So these are your two display cables and your earpiece. Okay? So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and turn it back on. Once we see the Apple logo, we should be good. Just like that, guys. So once that Apple logo is on, we'll go ahead and replace all the shields. Basically just doing everything in reverse. So we'll go ahead and put our screws back in. If you guys find my videos helpful, feel free to leave a comment, tell me how I'm doing. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe, guys, because I'm coming out with new DIY videos for cell phone repairs all the time. I'm going to do a couple of these videos pretty quick, just so you guys can get the quick rundown on how to fix this. Like I said, if I'm going too fast, feel free to slow it down and rewind it. But I'm going to show you every single step on all my videos to how to get them done in depth. No wasting time. So we'll go ahead and put these Y tips back in. And like I said, that the last one on the top right corner, that screw is a Phillips. I don't know why Apple did that, but they ain't fooling nobody. Get that last one back in and we're good to go, guys. So what we'll do is we'll line up the top, make sure that's nice and flush, and just clip everything back in. Just run your fingers down, make sure everything's nice and tight. Once that's done, go ahead and put your two pentalobe screws back in. This one here, guys, iPhone XR front screen replacement. I don't like to waste time, so these videos I'm going to show you the in-depth, nice and quick, how to replace it, so you're not wasting 10-20 minutes watching a video. I'm just going to test the screen now. Everything seems good to go. This one's in and this one's out, guys. If you like this video, hit the subscribe, like, share, and comment, guys. And I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.